people of the internet. I am sorry I haven't been making videos lately. It's been chaotic. We're trying to catch up. It is a Redbird Vintage Box day, so I'm excited, especially because this box is a little bit bigger than normal, so I'm excited. If you don't know what Redbird is, it is a group of two sisters, Sarah and Karen, or Karen and Sarah. I don't want you to think that I'm prioritizing one over the other. Just double checking that. What they do is they have a vintage subscription, monthly subscription box. You can get the Marie, which is clothing and which is accessories. You can get the Lorraine, which is clothing and accessories. The Teresa, which is a tea subscription or a scarf subscription. If you would like to try it, you can use the code Heather10 and you can get 10% off your first month. Okay. That felt like a lot of oxygen. Also, if you notice, I've got new glasses and I'm trying a new lipstick. Let me know what y'all think, because this could be like too much. I don't know. Just, you know, just let me know. Now, I did request some stuff. I saw this perfect hat, purse, brooch, stuff like that. I don't know if I got any of it, but the size of the box makes me happy. One thing I will say is if it is a purse and it is the red purse, I'm sorry guys, because I know we all wanted it, but you know, we'll find out. Okay. Alright. Get the scissors out of the way. Okay. Heather, we hope you love your box this month. Thank you. Oh, I did. I think I made additional purchases. Add-ons. I think I did. I'm going to have to get that on my brain. Alright, let's see what the flare piece is. The flare piece is... I don't know. Is this an earring? It's either an earring or a shoe clip, but as I've said before, I take these and I keep them and I use them for buttons, or I turn them into brooches. But I have a cousin who makes jewelry, so she's gotten really excited about finding out that I keep this stuff, and she's wanting to start making like jewelry and things like that, and I'm gonna let her do it, so. All right. Let's see. All right, and this is the Little House on the Prairie bag, which the accessories come in. And I really need to start doing the cat quilt. I have it all set out. I think my hold up right now is deciding the quilt I want to do, because I was thinking about just doing regular just squares. But now I'm thinking I might want to add a little bit of sauciness to it. I don't know. I haven't fully come to terms with that. Also, because my stuff is all in storage, I have nothing but a hot mess and very little room to work with for a quilt. All right, let's see. Bag number one. This is, oh, that could have been bad. Okay. Nope, totally safe. Totally safe, guys. This is the brooch that I requested, so that's pretty awesome. I love lockets. And I actually took, there was a locket that I got in one of my past boxes, and it was a stainless steel. Yeah, it was a stainless steel locket, and I put my husband's picture in it, and I had it engraved. This one does have some damage. It has some shaky hands. It has some stains on the back. It has a dent in the front of the case, and this little pin is maybe broken, but that doesn't matter to me. I can fix it. I think it's lovely. It'll be great with the perfect outfit. And you can obviously wear it as a brooch, or when I get my Peter Pan collars nailed to perfection. So I love this. I don't know if I'll put my husband's picture in it or my cat's, because my other locket has my husband's pictures in it. So we don't know. I don't know if I'm going to favor him or not. Okay, now, I cannot remember what I got as add-on, guys, so who knows? Okay, so that, I know that was a request item. Oh! Okay, check these out. These are clip-on earrings, but they're kind of like a very cool, oh, done slapped it on my ear too. It's a cool gray color. Ooh, I like that. I like these. Need to clean my glasses too, because now that I'm looking out this side corner, I'm like, there's a smudge. Oh, I like them. Okay, okay, okay. So we're off to a good start. We're off to a good start. All right. And I do believe this is a necklace. Does not fit. Gonna need an extender for that joker. But it is very pretty. It's very shiny for people with teeny tiny necks. Even my cat's like, heifer, you do not have a teeny tiny neck. I know I don't. You don't have to rub it in. But that's super cute. And it looks like this might be a bracelet that goes with it. Oh, it is. Okay, so that's the bracelet that goes with it, and it's very cute. It is very cute. I like both of these. I'll have to look up how to get the extender for the necklace so it'll sit right. And I think I have like a fabric that I'm making that has this very gorgeous baby blue color in it, so I'll have to double check, but I do believe there is a project that I will be working on that has that, so we're double checking. All right. Oh, Holly. Now this might be something I purchased. I say that because this looks like something I would have purchased for like a cute Christmas brooch, or honestly I'll wear this all year round, and if people ask me crazy questions I'll be like, it's a tomato plant. Which is, what is tomatoes called? The love apple? The love apple? Look it up, it's an actual thing, so I didn't just make that up. But I could have, because that does sound like something I could make up. Okay, I know I bought these, and what these are, it's a pair of them. They're shoe clips. I thought they were a little bit more black than this, but this is a gray. But I have a lot of Mary Jane style shoes. They're very plain, and I knew that these would be great to put on them and kind of zhuzh them up a little bit. So I know I purchased those. I did that on purpose. Okay. Now my ribbon is a knot, guys. Suckers! I know that wasn't a very adult thing to do, but okay, so, and then they really sealed the deal, because I love me some polka dots, and they were like, oh, we're not just gonna send her the most gorgeous pocketbook ever. We're gonna send her a polka dotted scarf to go with it. Ooh, and the inside is got a couple of little itty bitty use stains out of it. It's not bad. It's not anything, you know, that's not 100% manageable. Other than that, this is suspiciously unused. Oh my God, I'm in love with this bag. And I feel very guilty for me being the one to get this bag. Oh, it matches with my mouth. Y'all gotta let me know if that lipstick looks okay. And I do feel bad about getting this bag when everybody I know wanted it. Kit Kat, not you. But it's just so pretty, and I don't have a rim with it. It's just so pretty. So I'm not gonna share it. I might share it. I might be like, if you want to borrow it for like a month or two, we can totally do that, but you have to send it back because this is my new best friend. Alright, so I got some good stuff. I got some awesome stuff, so super stoked. Of course, the brooch and the purse are gonna be my favorites because that's my style. The blue, I'll have to get a collar extension for it, and if I can find the fabric, I'll take a picture with it, but good luck with that because I can't get to anything in that room. Obviously, the shoe clips I'm definitely planning on using, and I do have a gray dress that I'm making, so that will make my other shoes match with that gray dress, so that actually works out perfectly. And like I said, I love this. This is adorable. So, if you would like, subscribe, share. I'll put some other people down below. You can check out their Redbird Vintage Boxes because they got cool stuff too. They just have different tastes than me, so they would get different stuff. I will be making more videos in the future. It's just been a hot mess the last couple of months, but I will be making more videos in the future, and hopefully they will premiere every Tuesday if nothing happens. But if weird crap happens, I never said this. And other than that, I hope everybody has a good day and a good week. Bye.